Ready?
Absolutely.
Here we go. Aaron, you're on.
Hey, how's it going? This is Aaron Elson with Waxing Moon Masks. Masks for Good. Hashtag Masks for Good. I'm here to talk a little bit about what I do for the company, with the company, and with Tara. I help to figure out the technical details of how to turn ideas for masks into physical products. I do a lot of the business strategy, the market strategy, and the technical processes and operations. That's sort of my thing. I went to school for that. I officially am one of those guys. I'm a business guy. So specifically with Masks for Good, one of the things that we're exploring here is, there's Nadia's foot. Hi! Is using a new process called vacuum thermoforming. So we initially had the idea to get into vacuum thermoforming because we can sell masks at a price where more people can afford them. So we can do more masks for more good. Masks for Good. Hashtag. So we wanted to get into vacuum thermoforming because the raw material is plastic. It's thin, right? It can take on any shape, and it has a cool sound. The fun is built right in here. So we actually found some designs for a vacuum forming machine so that we could build our own. We couldn't afford to buy one because they started about $3,000 to $4,000 for a used machine. So we got some plans online, and we started out and we built. This is the inside of the machine here. It's got a plywood case. It's got a bunch of wires. Don't touch. Ah, I'm just kidding. Ah.
I thought you were.
You can see the vacuum fittings in here, where the vacuum attaches, the vacuum pump, and a shop vac. It's a two-stage vacuum system. It's got a fuse, just in case, so we don't electrocute ourselves. Everything's grounded. See the green wires? Green, that's official for any of you electricians out there. Alright, it's got some outlets in the front. It's got a switch. There'll be an oven attached to it, so the two-stage switch here, flip it up, turn on the oven, plastic gets hot, flip it down, turn on the vacuum. The mold sits here on what's called the platen, the forming surface. So we're going to be able to do 2 masks per run here, so it's a lot faster. Instead of several hours per mask, we'll be able to, it'll be maybe 20 minutes or 30 minutes per mask total, all in. For all the fabrication, from start to finish, from flat sheet of plastic to finished mask, ready to ship out the door, and that's very exciting. Yeah.
I mean, what else do you do with the company?
Yeah, well, the rest of it is pretty much just staring at spreadsheets and scratching my head. That's a lot of what I do. A lot of numbers, a lot of, well, how much does each mask cost? How long will it take us to make it? A lot of woodworking, metalworking, sparks and welding, and what are you eating? And making sure Kieran's not eating something he shouldn't be. There's a lot of that too.
Okay, you done?
I think that's it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thanks.